Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and copying it to a new layer so you never overwrite the original. Choose an editor that has content-aware fill or an in-painting brush. Once done, zoom to 100% and closely mark the exact text edges. This ensures clean sampling. Make a quick selection around the text using a lasso or rectangular tool, leaving a small margin. You do this now to make the automated fill use correct surrounding pixels and avoid repeated correction later. With the selection active, run the content-aware fill or in-painting command. The algorithm replaces the text using sampled nearby pixels. After the initial pass, switch to a healing brush or clone stamp to fix seams and match texture, because automated fills often blur fine details. Make smaller strokes and sample from multiple nearby areas to blend edges. If patterns repeat incorrectly, undo and expand the selection slightly before reapplying. This step-by-step refinement produces a natural result that matches surrounding lighting and grain. To finish, create a tested duplicate and flatten it so you can apply a tiny amount of noise or sharpening to match the original grain. You should check the result at multiple zoom levels and on different displays to confirm consistency. If you still see artifacts, perform targeted cloning or use frequency separation to independently fix texture and color. One key troubleshooting tip: if the fill looks smeared, undo and expand your selection to include more contextual pixels before reapplying the in-paint. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.